Now let's talk about instance types. So as I mentioned, there are a lot of instance types, and these are instance families. So just go through them as of now. As you keep on using them, by the end of the exam, you would be, I would say, pretty familiar with them. But think of it. If you talk about an general compute resources, right? So if I draw compute resources, what are the resources that we have? We have CPU, right? We have memory, we will have disk, and then we will have network, right? So these are the general computing resources. So general purpose means everything would be equally distributed. In compute optimized, you will have higher capacity processor. You will have comparatively okay memory, and I would say disk would be similar. But in memory optimized, CPU would be, I would say general, but your memory would be of a higher capacity. For storage optimized, your disk would be of higher capacity. Accelerated computing are special type of compute resources which are for, I would say, which would require high computing processing powers. So this means it would have a different type of processor and different type of memory. So given a snapshot, but the best place would be if you go to instance type, you should be able to see all the type of instances.